All right, it's time for CSS Battle for June 25th. Timer's going. Let's see what we've got. Okay. This looks like just a body with a couple of conical gradients and a radius on one corner. I don't know. Let's see. Let me catch on. All right, so I'm going to select the HTML to start with. It's going to be that baby blue color. So there's the HTML. Now I'm going to select the body, also using an asterisk selector. I'm going to go ahead and say it's going to be a background of this color for now. What did I do wrong? No, no semicolon now. Still something's not right. Background, UND, that should be working. Why is that not working? All right, let's start over. Star, background, baby blue, that's working. Star, background, light purple, that's working. I don't know why it didn't work last time. All right, now margin. I don't know what that is. 50, 100. I think that's short on all sides, so maybe 70, 110, 70 and 110, 120, sorry. All right, so that's the basic size of the thing. Then I need to do border radius 0, 0, 0. What if I do 50%? Looks okay-ish. We'll go with that. All right, now back to the background. I need to make these darker purple spots. I'm going to use conical gradients for both, I think. That's the plan. So, in front of this, I will say conic gradient, and I'm going to go from this color to transparent. All right, so that is working, which is the first step. Working is good. Now I need to move it. Which one do I want to do first? I'll do the little one in the top right first. So I'm going to say at, I don't know what that's going to be, 80 pixels, 80, no, 80 pixels, 20 pixels, comma. Okay, so this is X, needs to be more. So 150, that's too much. 130 and 30. That's probably not enough, but that's going to get us started. Now I need to put angles. This one actually starts at 0, which is handy. This one we're going to go 90 degrees. Uh, no, no. So this one's going to go 90 degrees. And then that one's 0. Okay. There's the right shape. Now it just needs to be bigger. 140. Nope. 120 and 40. There is the right thing. Now I need another one of those to be down bottom. So need a comma here. Conic gradient. This one's going to be the same purple to transparent. Oops. All right, there's that one. Now it's going to need at, what's that going to be? 50 pixels, 100 pixels. That's not right, but it's a start. And it's going to be from 80, oops, 180 dig, and it's going to go 90 degrees to 0. So that's the shape. Now just positioning. So it's going to be 80. And that's going to be 80. Not 870, 80. That looks like the right thing. Okay, so that's a match. Right now I'm at 247. Let me write that down or I will forget because I never remember. So I'm going to try instead of border radius. I don't think this is going to help. I think I have to do border radius bottom left if I just want to use one. Guess that doesn't work. Maybe it's left bottom. I don't know how that works evidently. Border radius CSS. I almost always just use shorthand. That's the main. Border top left and bottom right. Top left. Border top left radius. So border bottom left radius. Okay, that's how to do it. 247, 253. It's longer that way. I'm going to go back to shorthand. That's the shorter way to do it. Okay, margin 70, 120. Nothing I can really do with that. Background, I can try converting these pixels to Qs. That's 12, so 6Q. 7 looks better. 42 Q. Oops, Q. That looks okay. Let's check. 180 degrees. Oops, that didn't match. Try 41 Q. Still doesn't match. 43 Q. All right. Going back to 40 pixels. See if that matches. That matches. Let's try 80. Over Q. Visually, 5 looks better. That doesn't mean it works. There are some spaces I can get rid of while I'm waiting. That doesn't work. Let's try 80 4Q. I'm not really expecting that to work. Oops, got rid of a comma that I shouldn't have. Nope. So going back to 80 pixels. That looks like most of the spaces I can get rid of. Background is only used twice. Variabilizing it won't help. I can get rid of the stuff at the end here. And now we're just minifying. Whoops. 199. It's not bad. Took right at 9.5 minutes. We're going to call that a day. See you next time.